a very short video. I'm going to show you how to double space the line in Google Doc. We need some text, so I'm pasting some here. So select all the text like so. Go to the top menu, Format, click on it. Go to Line and Paragraph Spacing. Here it is, double, click on it. And here you go. The line is spaced with double spacing. You can do it another way. First, we need to undo the result. You can do it from here on top menu bar, or shortcut key is Command Z for Mac. Text is still highlighted, so go to Line and Paragraph Spacing. The arrow is here, the icon is here. Click on it, click on double. Same result is produced. It's very easy. Thank you very much. If you find this video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.